The ReproScripts VDP plugin not only allows you to generate various types of variable data and insert them into CorelDraw templates, but also dynamically change the fill or stroke colors of objects during generation. Let's prepare a small template for inserting variable data. We'll add one text field for variable numbers, as well as some simple static text. Let's create a new VDP project and begin generating the data we want to insert into the template. For the number, we'll choose simple sequential numbering, starting with 1 and padding with leading zeros up to 6 characters. Now let's create a list of colors that we want to dynamically change during generation. By clicking the plus button at the top of the list, we can open the standard CorelDraw color selection window and populate our list. Below the list is a setting for additional usage rules. We'll specify that each color in the list must be used twice in a row. Once the list is fully used, it will cycle through the remaining steps. Now let's bind our data to the objects by selecting them and clicking the plus button in the second tab. Assign a variable number to the 0 padded text in our template. For the static text, we won't assign any data, but we will specify a list of colors to apply to the fill. Similarly, by selecting a frame in the template, we'll bind a list of colors to it that will be applied to the outline. The project is ready to run. We'll set the generation to 20 records. This will be enough to cycle through the entire color list and start over. As a result, we'll get a file with a unique number on each page, and the fill color of the static text and the frame around the template changes according to the colors in the list we specified. Dynamic color processing is possible not only with static text, but also with dynamic fields and even barcodes. Let's add a rectangle to our template to hold the barcode. Add it to the list of objects on the second tab, assign it the data from the number field, and specify that the line color be changed from the color list. Restart the project. As a result of the generation, we will additionally receive barcodes with dynamically changing line colors. The ReproScripts VDP plugin opens up extensive possibilities for creating complex dynamic data substitution and color substitution scripts when generating variable data in CorelDraw.